Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Irish Kitchen. So for today's video I'm going to do a garlic chive and herb cream cheese. This cheese goes really well with toast, it goes really well with dips. It's a firm family favourite and everyone enjoys it. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and thanks for watching. So we start off with some garlic chives. If you don't have garlic chives, you can just use ordinary chives or green onions and just add in some chopped or crushed garlic. We chop these chives very finely. And once they're chopped, we take them and add them to a bowl. So we set these to the side and we get some chopped parsley. Again, we chop this very finely and then we pop it into a bowl. Other herbs will work if you like to use dill or a little bit of cilantro, coriander, and put it into the same bowl along with the chives. We'll put this bowl to the side and then we'll make up our cream cheese mixture. So I take some low fat cream cheese, and then to that I add some goat's cheese. Give it a good whisk just to make sure it's all together. And at this point we add our chopped herbs. Gently fold in the herbs, just so that they're all incorporated, everything's there. And now I will transfer it into a serving dish. I like to serve mine on homemade toasted bread. The one I'm making today is rosemary and garlic. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and thanks for watching.